Hello everyone, my name is Monica Peters. I'm a student at Full Sail University. I'm in the Mobile User Experience class. This is my video discussion. I'm going to be reporting my usability findings for my Week 3 project. What I did is I just had two buttons, with no explanations, and that caused a pain point for people that are not raw vegans. And that info button, a lot of people, it was so small that they didn't even realize it was there. So I improved this app by added more visuals, and I wanted it to be very colorful. I removed that info button, added right at the very top, organic, non-GMO. I put these in different colors. I also added icons on each button, little plant for organic, non-GMO, scale, because if my budget doesn't allow me to buy totally organic, non-GMO food, and I have to choose food that is not organic, I'm kind of weighing the pros and cons of my choices. Pesticides. The icon that made sense to me was a spray can. The GMO list, I put an icon of a beaker on there because it reminds me of what GMO is. Man-made in a lab type of experiments. And that is using this mobile app can search. New pain point I found this week was a person mentioned that in the list of items, when they're right here, I put do not eat peels and skins. It's in gray, and a person mentioned that they didn't really notice that. It actually confused them a little bit at first, the first time they looked at this. So that could be done differently. Maybe remove it and include it instructions on here. The overall experience of this mobile app, it seemed to be middle road because I found that participants, this project has been going on for 3 weeks, they don't enjoy doing surveys and testing prototypes. Maybe I have to find a way to make the experience more pleasant for them, a gift or something that participants would enjoy as a reward for helping me. This week, my usability findings, I revised my usability testing plan. I actually had 9 participants this week. Did it online, but I also did it at my home office with 3 more participants in person where I took notes and was able to watch how they interacted with the mobile app. My follow-up survey, I found that 7 of the participants found it was fast and easy to complete the tasks. 1 thought it was fair and 1 thought it was difficult. When I asked if they should buy GMO apples or a bag of potato chips for their raw vegan mother, they were able to answer just correct answer. Neither of those choices are good, which is a good indication that this app is doing what I want it to do, because about 3 of the participants, the ones that I had at my office, are not raw vegans. They're new to it. They don't know a lot about it. So my mobile app helped them make this decision really fast. Anything confusing while using the raw vegan shopping mobile app? 3 said no. 6 said other. A lot of the participants thought that the prototype should have been fully functional, even though it was on Envision app, so it was not a fully functional app, it's a prototype. And people thought that they should be able to search and tap the cells in that list to highlight it, which they weren't able to on the prototype. However, on the prototype that I ran from my iPod Touch, I made it so participants could do this. Was it branding distinguishable when compared to similar mobile apps? 3 of my participants said yes. 5 said they didn't know. They weren't really sure what that question even means. Don't work in the same type of field that I work, so that just didn't even make sense to them. What is your general view of the Raw Vegan Shopping mobile app? 1 person said it was awesome. 7 people said it was nice. 1 person said no opinion.